Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate L.L.Bean Mastercard online. If you want to activate your L.L.Bean Mastercard online in a few simple steps, then first open a preferred web browser. Once you open up your preferred web browser, go to the search box and type in Activate L.L.Bean Mastercard and press enter. You'll be taken to the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says L.L.Bean Mastercard at the very top and then click on this View Mastercard Account link. Now click the Continue button in the pop-up and then it'll take you to this new tab where you can easily sign into your Mastercard account first before you can activate it online. In the sign on area, go ahead and enter your user ID. If you've not set up an account for yourself yet, you don't need to worry at all. Click on the Get Started button at the bottom in order to complete your registration. After having your user ID typed in correct, enter your password on the next field. If you are having trouble remembering your password or your user ID, click on the Retrieve User ID or the Reset Password link and follow through the on-screen prompt. Finally, after filling in the credentials, click Sign On and you'll be logged into your L.L.Bean Mastercard. Now, find the Activate Card button and type in your card number, 3-digit security code, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and confirm your information in order to activate your L.L.Bean Mastercard online. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.